So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money, there is a new app called Survey Junkie. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's 100% free. You actually make money. You can cash out for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, or just get money sent directly to your PayPal account simply for filling out surveys. If you're bored, have some extra time, and you want to pay for your gas or for your groceries. If you want some money, check out Survey Junkie. It's really cool, really easy. It's very they've been around for like 10 years. I know it said it's new, but sorry, I misspoke. They've been around for 10 years. They're awesome. Go check them out. Use my link in the description down below. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. As you can see, I'm wearing my classic Rideshare shirt, which is no longer for sale because I took down the merch store. Not a ton of you guys are buying those shirts, but hey, it's all right, we move on. Today's video, guys, is not about me. It's about it's about all of us. There are tons of Uber and Lyft drivers that are getting approved for PUA, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. Not only Uber and Lyft drivers, but also gig workers for other delivery apps as well. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, Grubhub, all those apps, Amazon Flex even, and Instacart too. So that's what we're gonna be talking about today. And if you have not yet been approved, if you're watching this and you're like, Dylan, I have not yet been approved for PUA benefits. I've applied for unemployment and I've yet to be approved, or I got approved for $0, or I got they told me, or I don't know, I haven't heard anything, or I got denied for the other one. Today's date is May 15th that I'm filming this video, and Arizona just opened up their PUA. I think most states by now should have their PUA website opened up. If you applied for the W-2 as an Uber driver or self-employed person, don't worry. What you want to do is go ahead and apply for the PUA. Even if you've already applied, just go there, try to get on the phone. I know you're gonna have to get up super early, talking 5 a.m., etc. But here we go. Let's talk about the people who have been approved. I'm just gonna sync up my phone here. Before I get started, I just really strongly encourage you to please smash the like button. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm and helps me get more views on this video so more people can see it and so I can continue making videos. So please smash the thumbs up button. I would really appreciate that. And also subscribe so you never miss another video on the Rideshare Hub. I think we're getting close to 40,000 subscribers, so thank you all so much who have already subscribed. We're getting close. I think we're gonna get there next couple weeks or so. So hopefully we can get there soon. Here we go. This is from Natalie Munoz. She goes, this is in the Uber Lyft drivers Facebook group, the one that I personally own. I have the rights of ownership to this Facebook group. Not really. I'm not sure how that works. But anyways, it's my group. I'm the admin. I created it. And she goes, after 5 weeks, I've been approved for unemployment. She's in New York. So she got approved for unemployment in New York City. I'm assuming she's talking about PUA, which is essentially unemployment. This is from Michael Johnson as well in the same Facebook group. He goes, I received 4 weeks of PUA, 6 weeks of unemployment, and now waiting the last 2 weeks. I'm in Missouri. My unemployment is only $133. Dean Clark goes, that's what your rent or mortgage is too. I don't know where he got that number, rent being only $133, but there should be an additional $600 on top of your regular unemployment. That's what I'm receiving, around $727 per week. Yeah, so Resty right here, Likayan, says he's getting that plus 600, so that's pretty cool. Here we go, this is from Mark Keller. He goes, today I got approved for PPP loan, and also today I filed for PUA. And it looks like I will get around $665 per week. I still work for Uber, but I'm accepting only Uber Eats orders. I'm in Chicago suburbs. Honestly, this guy right here, I don't know what he did. It sounds like he hacked the system. He's getting PPP, he's getting PUA, and he's still working. I don't know how he's done it. I don't know if the IRS is gonna, I don't know what's gonna happen with him. I don't know if you're technically allowed to do that, but I mean, hey. I don't know if the IRS is really gonna be able to track every single millions of people who are, getting all this stuff. But if he makes it clear through the system and gets the PPP loan, PUA, and is still working, that would be pretty crazy. He's in Chicago. I heard from was he an accountant or a tax? I think it was an accountant, yeah, or a tax attorney. he said that you probably should not apply for both PPP and PUA because PPP, you know, you're still getting your paycheck. So technically you shouldn't get PUA, but yeah, I mean, he said the conservative approach is to not do that, but I mean, this guy clearly did it. So yeah, Jose Sanchez goes, I finally got approved for PUA and they deposited $4,800 in my account. It took a while, but I had to literally submit a second claim and it automatically updated on my UI end. And I go, that's amazing. Yay! Bruh, $4,800, bruh. Bro, you could freaking rent out a Lamborghini for 3 days with that. Maybe 2. You could flex on all your friends. You got a Lambo or a Ferrari or a Bentley. I don't know. Maybe you can rent a Bentley for 3 days. Those are cheaper, right? Samuel Lee goes, I applied for PUA early in the morning today in Illinois. It's showing I would get $198 a week plus $600 if I get approved. About $800 a week. I'm praying there's no problem. $800 a week. That's good stinking money right there, Brad. That's 40 grand a year, Brad. That's good money, Brad. William Clay Brad goes, sorry, I keep saying Brad. I'm on TikTok a lot. Guys, by the way, hit me up on TikTok. Look at this stuff. This is insane. 358, look at it, just went up. 400 more followers, 359,000. My TikTok is absolutely blowing up. It's crazy, guys. Follow me on TikTok if you haven't yet. Okay, here we go. Also, guys, by the way, I just started uploading on my personal YouTube channel too. Just quick plug right here. We'll get back to these in a second, but my personal YouTube channel is Dylan Himrick. Go subscribe there if you haven't yet. Anyways, back to here. Craigslist goes, Minneapolis. Yes, got it, end of April. Still waiting on additional 4 weeks of back pay from when they earned it. Great info, man. Great points made. Thank you, Craigslist, if you're watching this. Thanks for the shout out. Kaminia Moses goes, I applied for PUA Uber driver today in Illinois. The process was easy, but the first step is to apply for regular unemployment, which I applied April 3rd and got tonight. Yeah, so guys, so for anybody watching this, the way that most states are doing this is that when they have you apply for PUA, essentially they have you apply for regular unemployment, and then if you don't get approved for regular unemployment, then they process your PUA, pandemic unemployment assistance, and they at that point ask for your 1099s. I think that's how it's kind of been working. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, they go, I applied for PUA today, and once I submit my application, 10 minutes later, I received an email indicating how much I'll receive weekly. So Illinois is on top of it apparently. On the other hand, Berhanu Bekele goes, I can't believe you still didn't get unemployment benefit in Texas. We are getting this week for the 7 times. He got it 7 times apparently. That's pretty nuts. That's Stacy Keach. She's a beauty. Beauty, certified beauty. So yeah, guys, that's literally all I have for today's video. I just want to share with you guys, shout out everybody receiving PUA. If you haven't gotten it yet, comment down below. If you've gotten it, comment down below as well. Thank y'all for watching today's video. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.